Hi everyone, I am Dikshit.
Hi everyone, I'm Akshita.
Hi everyone, my name is Gagana.
And I'm Ganesh. We are a team of students from the Department of MC. We are excited to present a project based learning assignment for the course Object Oriented Programming using Java. This project was titled under the guidance of Professor Shreyanka ML, and our project title name is Inheritance and Polymorphism Demo. And now I'm going to present a project titled StaffSync Employee Salary Management System. In many organizations, managing employee details and calculating salaries manually can be time consuming and may lead to errors. To overcome this problem, automated systems are used to handle employee information and salary calculations more efficiently. Our project focuses on developing a simple system to manage employee data and calculate salary based on role and working hours. StaffSync allows us to store basic employee details such as employee ID, employee name, employee role, and working hours. Based on the employee's role, the system calculates salary automatically using predefined rules. This helps in reducing manual work and improve accuracy. The project is developed using Java and is mainly designed to demonstrate object-oriented programming concepts. We have implemented inheritance to represent employee hierarchy, polymorphism to calculate salary dynamically, and abstraction to maintain a clean and structured design. These concepts helps in building a flexible and reusable system. Employees in our system are divided into technical staffs and non-technical staffs with different roles under each category. We also provide a simple user interface that allows user to enter employee details easily and view salary results. Overall, StaffSync is a simple but effective project that shows how Java and OOPS concepts can be applied to solve real-world problems. And now I'll pass over the mic to Gagana, who dives and introduce you more about architecture and the code.
Now I'm going to explain the objectives of our project, that is StaffSync. First is to manage employee details. The project is designed to store and handle basic employee information like ID, name, role, and working hours in an organized way. Here in our StaffSync project, employees will first enter their details like ID, name, and role, and based on that, the salary will be calculated for that particular employees. Second one, to calculate salary automatically. The system calculates employee salary based on their role and the number of hours they worked, reducing manual calculation. After entering the employee details, the salary will be calculated for the particular employees so that there will be no need to calculate manually where the time consumption will be less. Third one, to learn object oriented programming. This project helps in understanding important OOPS concepts such as inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction using real employee example. In our project, we have used inheritance concept, that is, we have created different class where we have used inheritance concept, that is, using the extends keyword, we have inherited so many classes, and final, static, and abstraction method, and also the polymorphism method have been used. Fourth one, to divide employees into different groups. Employees are divided into technical and non-technical staff so that salary can be calculated correctly for each role. Here there are two roles, that is technical and non-technical staff. In technical staff, there are developer, manager, intern, and in non-technical staff, there are content creator, content editor, and content writer, where each role plays a different types of task in their particular field. Fifth one, to show how polymorphism works. The same method is used to calculate salary, but it works differently for each employee role, showing runtime polymorphism. Here, calculation calculating salary have been used, where different types of roles will be having different salaries, and the calculating salary will be same, where the polymorphism will be used. Thank you. And the remaining part will be continued by our teammates.
Okay, I am Dikshit. This is our project interface where we created using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Basically, where we accept name and ID, and there are two staff type, technical and non-technical staff, where we defined an input for entering the login and logout time. In technical staff, there are three different roles. We click on that. There are three different roles: developer, manager, and intern. We can select the radio box, and we can enter the login hour. Bagara, enter the login time. Okay, this is login and logout time. Okay, after entering, there are we defined a fixed salary for each role and staff type. Based on the working hour, it will calculate the salary and display the total salary of the employee. Show the code. Okay, this is the simple. We use a simple HTTP server for receiving the front end post request, where we handled using the HTTP server. When the user submits the form, the data sent by the post method and handled in the salary handler. Open the salary handler. Okay, there are different case: developer, manager, inter, content writer, where we create the object here, where we create the object, and the ID name will be initialized in the object. Open the content creator classes, where we created abstract classes. These are the classes we created for each type: content creator, content writer, developer, editor, where we fix the salary for each staff. These are the classes. We use abstract method and employee abstract method. Sorry, abstract class for staff. Uh, uh, these are the things we used, where we inherit the parent class employee for using that. Okay, wait. Okay, basically our web application totally runs on the local host server, where we start the server in the through the HTTP server. So that's it.
Hi everyone, I'm Akshita. Now I would like to conclude our project titled StaffSync Employee Salary Management System. The StaffSync project is designed to manage employee details and calculate salaries automatically based on employee roles and working hours. The system reduces manual effort and improves accuracy in salary calculation. This project helped us understand important object oriented programming concepts such as inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and dynamic method dispatch. By categorizing employees into technical and non technical staff, the system handles different salary rules efficiently. The project also includes a simple user interface that interacts with the backend Java logic, giving us practical experience in building a complete application. Overall, is a simple yet effective project that demonstrates how OOP concepts can be applied to solve real world problems. Thank you.